Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making this little 1-2 little fur headband thing going on. If you want to learn how I made this, stay tuned, get ready. Okay, so I had this little furs hanging around the house, right y'all, and excuse me, I measured it to 25 inches. Okay, after I did that, I wrapped it around my head to see how much fabric I had left over. So I had probably about an inch that I can cut off. So to measure the height, I used a little measuring tape to see how high I wanted it on my head. So I cut. So again, those measurements were 25 inches by 3 inches, and that 25-inch measurement left seam allowance for me to be able to cut it off. And with this fabric, I carefully tried to cut the white part instead of doing so much on the fur to disturb the fur, because I do want it to have a little the little furry particles on the end. I want a little furnace going on. So I went and cut a piece of satin fabric to the same size, 25 by 3 inches. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to face the shiny side and the fur side together. So the good sides need to be facing one another. And I'm going to pin the whole perimeter. And when I'm pinning this because when I go to take it to my machine and serge down the side, I don't want anything shifting or moving. So this step, make sure you add as many pins as you need if this is a beginner thing for you. If not, do what you do. So again, I'm using a serger for this project. If you have a regular sewing machine, you are more than welcome to sew around the edges and leave you about an inch or two open to turn it inside out. For my serger, I'm going to go up the sides. So the long sides are the sides that I'm going to go up. I'm going to have 2 lines. As you can see, I went down both sides with my serger, and because it was wide enough, I just kind of went ahead and flipped it open. For this video, I did not go back and stitch the sides, but you can go back and stitch both sides down, do a top stitch along the side. That way the little satin piece won't shift or nothing in the back, and it will lay it down and it'll look way better that way. But for this video, I'm doing this. So yeah, then you turn it inside out, put the edges together, get everything situated, and you're gonna go and cut that 1 inch off that we talked about, and that's it. See you guys next time.